Camaro delivers a gas V6 6.2 liter/engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 20x 8.5, 50.8 cm x 21.6 cm, front end 20x 9.5, 50.8 cm x 24.1 cm, rear 5 split-spoke bright silver painted aluminum, transmission, 10-speed automatic includes transmission oil cooler and VTV, remote vehicle starter system. SS Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment. This Chevrolet Camaro comes equipped with these options: remote vehicle starter system, jet black, seat trim, exhaust, dual mode, engine, 6.2 liters, 376 c, V8 DI, VVT, 455 horsepower, 339.3 kilowatts, at 6,000 revolutions per minute, 455 pounds to foot of torque, 614.3 Nm, at 4,400 revolutions per minute. STD, crush, wipers, front variable speed, intermittent with washers, windows, powered with driver and passenger expressed out/up, wheels, 20x 8.5, 50.8 cm by 21.6 cm, front and 20x 9.5, 50.8 cm by 24.1 cm, rear bright 5-spoke silver painted aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, covered, illuminated, trunk release, power. Stop by today. You've earned this. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia, V9 T3L3 to make this car yours today.